trying to get that thinned down. It's a bit cold in here, obviously. So, see what it's like in an hour or so. I'm going to take off the, what do you call it, the fuel tank. The fuel tank protector. Hoping I can get that off pretty quick. Not too hassle because all the bolts and arrows are rusted. As everything with the Defender, it's always rusted, so when I come take that off, well, I want to get the underside of the fuel tank as well. Which one I've seen is a couple of bolts in here somewhere, and some on the other side of there. Because that is shocking. I don't want to paint it, just in case the water gets behind the paint and it starts getting worse. So I'm going to Lanoguard the other side and the outside. So yeah. I also want to get the fuel tank off, but I'm going to have to get it off later because of the little studs. I don't have a proper socket for it. Definitely is down as rusty as anything on the outside, so you can really imagine what the other side's like. I'm going to get the angle grinder on and use the wheel. Bit of a vicious thing, to be honest. Hopefully that'll keep it off my face. But yeah, I think desperate for something to be done on it. Yes, should have done a few years back. As soon as I got it. Kind of underestimate this job. Oh, that's a bit of a naughty spot. So that's the back end so far. With the wire brush tool and the angle grinder. After I was doing the back end, I was put a dust mask on, didn't realise how dusty it was. A bit stuff in my hair. I've got to put this on. It's helped a lot to get the dust down. Little filtration. But yeah, it was literally a cloud of dust in here off just doing the back. I suppose it's handy having the inside to work on, but when it comes to the dust, it's not the easiest thing to get rid of. Crap. Tell you what, this has to be one of the worst jobs I've ever done on the Defender. Here we are, well, there's 7 hours. Just been knocking the rust off there. Just been giving it a blowout. Nearly as much stuff come out the nooks and crannies. There's what came on, what do you call it? The scraping and whatnot, the rust. feel like I've survived an earthquake. Absolutely covered in it. Bit late now to start Lanoguard, so I think that's a job for tomorrow night after work. See how well this works as a 360 thing. Not very. Literally just what the hell, that's leaving it on, is it? No good whatsoever. It's alright. Looks like I'm going to be doing the outside and then have to try and get another 361 or something, I don't know, for the inside of the boxes. It's not coming out the way I thought it would do in the little wand. Just coming out with a sort of a dribble in the end.